Hello lovely people, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe. I just want to let you know that the 2023 Crochet Super Pack is here. This super cute crochet pattern bundle includes 20 different crochet patterns for the festive season. They are created by 20 different crochet designers and the bundle is curated by the lovely Joy of Anvi's Granny. My contribution this year is the pattern for my cuddly gnome, and in just a minute I will show you all the other adorable designs that are included in this bundle. The great thing about it is that you get all 20 patterns for only $12.99, which is just over 60 cents per pattern, and that means you save 85% compared to buying the patterns separately. The pattern bundle is only available for 5 days. So if you're interested, click the link below in the description box to get your copy as soon as possible. The other great thing about this pattern bundle is that you get all these Christmas themed patterns in one, so you don't need to shop around for all the patterns that you need for the season. And the ebook has a clickable table of contents so that you can easily find the pattern that you want to work on, and then you can bookmark it so that you don't lose wherever you were in the pattern. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for your time. Happy crocheting! Bye!